everyone. This is Lee with Olde Towne Cutlery, and today we're here to talk about the Apex Pro Sharpening System. This is a sharpening system that we have developed in-house. And why did we do it? Simple reason: practicality. There's a lot of good sharpening systems out there that are highly effective, but one of the things that we realize is necessary as we teach our students how to sharpen is that self-sufficiency concept, where you can kind of sharpen anywhere on anything at any time and not have the crutch of some device that you have to use. So therein lies the core reason behind why we developed this, and let's talk a little bit more about the components of the system. First off, there is a 3D printed base, and this 3D printed base actually has magnets embedded in it, and I have even a little cutaway here to show more of how this is done. So you see the honeycombed effect, and there the inserted magnets are for holding the metal plates. You'll also notice that there are angled guides on the end at 25, 20, 16, and 12 degrees. And these are angled guides that enable you to put your knife into the slot and understand what that angle feels like, so that you can then effectively transfer that to the stone. Now, the stones that we have are all DMT products. And why do we choose DMT? Because they're American made. It's a monocrystalline diamond structure, which is far more consistent. It bonds better to the plate, it lasts longer, and its grain size is more uniform, so you simply get better results. We use a two-sided plate, a coarse, which is about 320 grit, and a fine, which is about 600 grit. And then we have an ultra-fine plate that is 1200 grit, followed by a piece of leather that is bonded to the other side. The kit also comes with a two-piece component here for sharpening serrated knives, and this is very simple to use. It does come apart and will store in the bottom of the unit like so. Again, all of these components are magnetic, so they kind of snap into place. And it's very simple to use. If we were to start with a dull knife, I would take my coarse side of the plate, I would put that up, I would choose the angle that I want to use. In this case, is an everyday carry hunting style knife. I'm going to sharpen that at 20 degrees. I simply make my strokes, holding that angle. If the knife has a belly, I'm making a slight lift to the piece, which you can feel if you drag your knife through the slot, like so. You can feel your wrist pick up, and that's the exact motion that you need to make here. If you want to see what that feels like in the other direction, you simply turn it around and make some strokes like so. Next, you would put your ultra fine plate on. The magnets do work through the piece of leather, by the way. And same thing, we're going to make those exact same strokes. And when we're ready to strop our knife, we have included in the kit a little piece of green rouge. And green rouge is about 7,000 grit, and this is what will put a mirror polish on your knife edge. It's very easy to apply. It's kind of like a crayon. You simply rub it on like this. Once you get a decent layer built up on the leather, it's ready to use, and you simply draw the knife backwards in both directions, making a very nice, smooth, slick, stropped edge. One other thing that I should mention is that since it's magnetic, the thing is meant to be held. As you notice, what's in here, these two little cutouts here, are finger holes. And so let's say you have something that's too big to bring to this, like a machete. That's absolutely no problem at all. You lay the machete and you simply do the sharpening in reverse. Simply hold it like so, and do the action in reverse. It's practical. It makes sense. It's easy to use. It's easy to learn how to use. And once you've done that, then you can really sharpen on anything. You can sharpen on a roughed up piece of glass. You can sharpen on a smooth river rock, the underside of a coffee mug, any number of things, because once you've mastered the motion and you develop that small muscle coordination, you've got it. We like to say that every sharpening system has a learning curve, so why not learn the actual mechanics of sharpening? And that way you can sharpen anywhere on anything at any time. The other nice thing about the system is it comes with one piece of paper, just one. The Due South Sharpening System, Apex Pro. It shows a diagram of what you're trying to accomplish here, by the way. It gives instructions like what I've just done. We talk about the different degrees and what types of knives will like those different degrees and what you should aim for. Then we talk about the warranty, which is a dual warranty. It's covered both by Olde Towne Cutlery and by DMT. So you have no concerns over the quality of this product whatsoever because it's backed up by 2 reputable companies. It gives you a little description on the back, our contact information, and everything that the kit includes. Also, I include one box that is the exact right size for your instructions and your system. Fits neatly in place, no extra space, and you are able to store in the box that it comes in, so nothing to throw away. The system is available at Olde Towne Cutlery. You can come visit us in store or online at oldtowncutlery.com. Just look under the sharpening supplies section for this product. And wait till you see more because we've got some other product designs coming out as well. Thanks for watching.